This is week 1 of AI teaching me how to code. So this is what Grok generates when I ask it to teach me a day. It generates this really neat, super detailed, step-by-step guide of that day's subject matter. Then homework assignments to make sure you understand what was taught. And finally, questions to consider, like what are you doing with your life, or should I get this mole looked at? So I'm just going to summarize each day. I'm not going to go step by step because the video would take too long. But I am working on this handy dandy guide that'll detail every single step for every single day and will release at the end of the project. Or, if you would like early access to this document or any of my other projects before they're released, go check out my Patreon where I'm posting weekly updates of this guide and also what I'm doing for future videos. So day 1 was pretty simple. It was just researching the STM32 microcontrollers, looking at the different families and the different performances of each of the chips. Day number 2 was installing the software I need to do this project with, so the STM32Cube MX and the STM32Cube IDE to use for this project. And day number 3 was just getting familiar with the software tools and connecting up our Nucleo L476RG development board to the software. And on day number 4, it was time for the classic blink sketch. So following the guide, I was able to make the LD2 LED on the development kit blink successfully. On day number 5, I added the user button located on the dev kit in order to toggle on and off the LED from the previous day. Day number 6 was spent getting familiar with the different kind of configurations for the GPIO. So day number 7 did not work. It was supposed to be about implementing an interrupt for a button to blink the LED. However, I kept getting this error message. Now, these are the instructions that the AI generated for me, and I could not get the AI to figure out what was wrong with it. So if you know what's wrong with it, let me know.